Hello everyone and welcome back to Ignite Core Solutions. This is Samia Noor and I'm so happy to see you here again on our HTML journey. In our last video, we took our very first steps into the world of HTML. We learned about the p tag, which is used for writing paragraphs on a web page, perfect for adding text content. The header 1 and header 2 tags, which help us create headings and organize our content. The header tag, which defines the top section of our web page, usually where we put the site title or the navigation links. The footer tag, which defines the bottom section of the page where we might add copyright info or contact details. Those tags helped us structure our pages. Today's tutorial is about making our pages come to life. Adding images, links and lists. We will cover these tags. Image tag for adding images, anchor tag for adding links, UL, OL and li tag for creating lists. Let's begin. The image tag allows us to display images on our web page, whether it's a photo, a logo or an illustration. The image tag is self-closing. This means it doesn't need a closing tag because it doesn't wrap around any content. The image tag always needs two main attributes. src. This tells the browser where to find the image file. Alternative text or alt. This describes the image. It shows up if the image fails to load and helps screen readers describe the image to people who are blind or have low vision. I created a folder called image inside my main HTML tutorial folder and I placed a cat image inside it. You can replace this with any image you like. I also saved another cat image directly in the HTML tutorial folder itself, the same folder where my index.html file is located. So one image is inside the image folder and the other is right beside the HTML file. And now I'm going to add the cat image that I saved directly inside the HTML tutorial folder, the same place where my index.html file is. I will be adding this image to my code next. The browser will look for catimage.png in the same folder as your HTML file. Now I am going to add the cat image that's inside the image folder to my HTML code. Now let me show you how to add an image that you don't have saved on your computer, one that you grab straight from the internet. Here's how it works. First, open Google and search for any image you like, for example, an astronaut. When you find an image you love, right-click on it and select Copy Image Address. Next, head over to your VS Code editor. Use the image tag like normal. In the src attribute, paste the link you just copied. Don't forget to add some meaningful alt text too, like astronaut in space. Like astronaut in space. And just like that, your image will show up on the web page, even though it's not saved in your folder. Tip: always make sure your alt text is meaningful. Don't just write image, describe what's in the picture. Common mistakes: forgetting to write alt text. This makes your website less accessible. Spelling mistakes in the file name. The image won't load if the file name is wrong. Let's talk about linking. And yes, it's as cool as it sounds. Example 1. Link to another website. Now let me show you how to link your website to another website. Sounds cool, right? We will use Ignite Core Solutions as an example. First, write the anchor tag. Then inside the href attribute, add the link to the website like this. And yes, don't forget to include HTTP or HTTPS when linking to external sites. Now, when someone clicks that link, they will be taken straight to the Ignite Core website. Pretty awesome. Example 2. Link to another page on your site. Now, let's link to another page within your own website. First, create a new HTML file. Let's say you name it about.html. Then write an anchor tag like this. Make sure the new file is saved in the same folder as your index.html. When you open the link, it will take you to the new page. Right now, that page might look empty, but that's okay. We haven't added content to it yet. Example 3. Link that opens in a new tab. Now here's a cool little trick. You can make a link open in a new tab. Perfect if you want people to stay on your site but also check something else. Just use the anchor tag like before, but this time add target blank like this. Now, when someone clicks it, your link will open in a shiny new browser tab. And tada! You just learned 3 magical ways to link like a pro. To another website, to a page on your site, to open links that in a new tab. Tip: Target blank is useful when you want the link to open in a new tab, so your visitors stay on your site. Common mistake: forgetting the HTTP or HTTPS for external links. The link won't work as expected. Lists help you organize your content clearly. Unordered list UL tag creates a bulleted list, great for things that don't need order like ordered list OL tag creates a numbered list, great for steps or rankings. List item li tag. Each item in the list goes inside the li tags. Nested list example. You can have a list inside a list. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to add images, links and lists to your HTML pages. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to Ignite Core Solutions so you can keep learning with us. In the next video, we will explore more HTML tags and start building small web page projects together. See you there and happy coding!